Hey guys, Tyler from App Reviewer here today, and I wanted to bring you another SMULE app. It's really nice. It's like the Sonic Lighter app. It's called Sonic Boom. Let's hop right into it. Now here you have just a little firecracker or whatever you want to call it, and you strike it, and then your finger sets it off. And now this thing, you can go to slow, however slow you want, and however fast you want. And then it just blows up, and it's a 360 view. And then just go to this again to reset it. And then like you can have pictures. Go to your photos. And then I like this one because he's obviously on fire. And you can also pause it and just look around. And then here, it's like the lighter concept. You have all these people blowing. And then, yeah. So if we see a big increase in Justin Bieber downloads, we'll know why. This was my app review for SMULE Sonic Boom. Don't forget to comment, thumbs up, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.